Welcome. In this video I will show you how to configure screen shortcuts on your GoPro Mission 1 Pro. So first of all, let's see the camera's interface. At the bottom of it we'll see the currently selected capture mode. If we tap right here and then scroll a bit down, we'll be able to find shortcuts. And we will have different shortcuts for each part of the screen. So if you want, for example, to change the shortcut in the upper left corner of your screen, you have to tap right here and then select the shortcut that you want to use. For example, audio tuning. And now, if we return back to the camera's interface, we'll be able to see the shortcut once we start the recording. And this way you can adjust all the shortcuts on your camera. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.